Tony Rodriguez, A-Rod, MXGP of France, Saint-Jean-d'Angély. You seem to like Europe, right?
Yeah, I love it. It's quite like Venezuela. I haven't been there in quite a while, but I like it. I'll be honest. Unfortunately, today it's not going very good, though. I like the track. It's different. It's pretty deep. But first practice of the morning, I dapped my foot in the ground and I twisted my ankle really bad. And all day I've been struggling with the decision of riding or not riding. And on the qualifying race, it was terrible. It was disappointing. I couldn't push. I wanted to push, but it was just so painful. So I've just been icing it. I'm keeping it high. And tomorrow morning on the warm-up, I'll make a decision whether it's smart for me to race or not, because, yeah, it's hurting. So I want to be ready for the next races, and I'm not racing for a championship at the moment. It's just a feeling ride, and I want to do good and show the people what I'm capable of doing. And with the leg this painful, it's not possible. But with my fingers crossed, I'm hoping tomorrow will be a lot better, and after the practice, I can decide to continue to race.
Yeah, after saying that, I feel like you can adapt to any situations. Like, you can jump on a different bike from a weekend to another. You can do whatever you want, right?
Yeah, this is basically what my life has been. I've hopped around bikes. I've hopped around countries. So supercross, motocross, enduro at home. So yeah, I think this is what's helped me to adapt quickly. But even though I adapt quickly, it's no game in Europe. It's motocross still, and so is in America, but maybe they should have different names for it because it's not close. It's very different.
Yeah, I mean, what's so different? The tracks, the people, the bikes, the gas? I mean, tell us.
Yeah, the bikes are different, the weather is different, suspensions are different, the soil is different, the tracks develop differently. It's a 2-day race. Everything about it is different, honestly. The same thing is that it's racing and you have a gate that drops and everybody wants to win. But other than that, it's a lot different.
What do you miss the most, Venezuela or USA?
Well, I miss my family and friends in Venezuela for sure. Unfortunately, things over there are not going very well. The country is struggling a lot, and it's pretty sad for me, you know. I have my parents that live there and my brother and a lot of family, and I haven't been in 3 years because the situation is that difficult. So I'd definitely like to go visit. I miss them. I love the country. I don't love the situation they're in, but I love the country. And I also like USA. I also like Europe. So whatever the future holds for me, that's where I'm headed. I'm really happy that I'm quick to adapt to the places, and it's not like, oh, I'm sad I'm not in the US, or I'm sad that I'm not in Venezuela. I'm just happy that I'm a traveler person, I guess.
Okay, cool. Thank you, and I hope tomorrow you're going to be able to ride.
Yeah, thanks a lot, and like I said, fingers crossed. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day.
All right, good luck.